Actually, ma'am, I know I have lots of fear in me, so I want to overcome this. So that's why I
That I can
you
see on your face as well as I can feel it in your voice too. But I really appreciate the courage you have shown here by showing up today and joining the session, and the way you have accepted this fear to overcome it. Once you accept this, okay, this is I have, but then hello, many yeah, good afternoon.
yeah. Sorry. Good afternoon.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm ma'am. Fine, fantastic. Thank you for asking. What's about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. Thank you so much for asking. And thank you so much for joining the session immediately. Like I just mentioned now, and you immediately grabbed the opportunity. It didn't take even time. And that's great. Thank you so much for joining on time. And thank you so much for showing up here. I want to know a little more about yourself as we are meeting for the very first time here.
Actually, ma'am, my name is Lalita Jangid, and I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. And
Okay.
I'm a homemaker.
Mhm.
I'm a homemaker and a part-time teacher. And
And what are your hobbies?
uh, my hobbies actually listening audiobook and
Mhm.
try to cultivate a reading habit also these days.
Okay. Audiobooks. You are the
Yes.
first, I guess,
And,
I got to know that who listen to audiobooks. Majorly people listen to podcasts, listen to music, listen to something over YouTube, not
yeah.
audiobooks particularly. Okay. And what do you teach in your free time? Like you do as a part-time teaching, right? So what do you teach? Which subject?
Yes. Yeah. Actually, ma'am, I'm a tuition teacher, so I
Mhm.
teach now all subject. Yes.
All subjects. But is there any subject that you like the most?
Yes. Nowadays, English I like most.
English. Do you wanna pursue
Yes.
your career in this particular subject?
Yes.
Okay, that's great.
And
Hmm.
apart from traveling,
Apart from
yes,
this, you
which I
like
like.
traveling. Okay, great.
Yes.
And which audiobook are you listening to right now? That's
So,
fine. She also wants to see, or she also wants to enjoy that.
yes. So, actually, ma'am, power of positive thinking.
Okay.
Uh, this is my favorite,
This is your favorite one,
one
but
of favorite.
which one are
Yes,
you
and
currently listening?
yeah, self-help book and biography also.
Okay. Biographies and self-help
Yes.
books. But I'm asking currently which one is are you listening to these days?
Actually, The Secret.
The Secret. Okay. Have you read it?
Yes. Not ma'am, not read. Actually, I listen. And
You listen.
reading attitude is everything.
Mm-hmm.
I complete that book.
Okay, but you
Earlier,
recently have
I'm
started reading.
yes, yes, and Sudha Murthy ma'am book,
Okay,
the
that's
stories
great.
of yes.
Hmm.
So I Sudha Murthy. Yes, yes, Sudha Murthy. Yes, actually,
You wanna add something?
actually, I am ma'am. I'm big fan of you. Actually, I'm
Thank
waiting
you.
a long time. I'm connect with you, and so I'm not believe this. I'm see you.
Oh
Actually,
my
I
God, I
can't
can
believe
feel
this.
that in your voice itself. I can feel that. Uh, yeah.
Actually, that's why I'm yeah, sibling also and nervous and excited also. So that's why.
That really means a lot that you are a big fan of me. It's like a, a
Yes.
dream come true. Like, I didn't think of this way that people someday would say this to me that I am a big fan of you. That is really amazing to know. And yes, so I would like to know about your journey a little bit. How did it start and what inspired you?
Actually, ma'am, I think 4 5 months I'm scrolling the video, so that's why I we watch your video, so that's why I'm one video all the one day one video, so that's why I'm continuously watching your video. Actually, I'm Hindi medium student. I'm not able to express myself, so
Mm-hmm.
now consistently watching your videos, so that's why I'm yes now able to express myself little bit. Yes.
Wow. Okay. So it's been 4 to 5 months that you have been watching my videos every single day. One video a day you watch.
Yes, ma'am.
That's
And
great. Mm-hmm.
yes,
Okay. So as
yes.
you have been watching my videos for last 4 months and you are a big fan of me and you want to improve your English, so I believe you must have a few doubts, maybe or questions that you wanted to ask me. If there is any I can help you with, you can ask me. I would love to.
Actually, I also start my journey so YouTube, so I record my video.
Mm-hmm. That's great.
And
That's amazing.
yes, and I'm not being perfect that time. I'm not wet. Actually, I'm imperfect. I so that's why I'm upload that. And
Mm-hmm. So when did you start your YouTube?
uh, I think 4 month.
Four
And
months ago.
yeah,
Okay.
earlier I was watching your video a long time,
Mm-hmm.
not 4 5 month. Yes, I'm watching your video. I think 9 9 10 month.
Okay, it's been nine to
Yes,
10 months that you have been watching my videos, and it's been 4 months that you have been creating over YouTube.
yes,
So you upload
yes.
your
And
solo videos like recording yourself and then uploading, or you do you talk to people and record the conversational videos?
no, ma'am, I'm only solo video.
Solo
And
videos.
nowadays, yes, and
Mhm.
nowadays I'm trying to connect some people, so that's why I'm overcome my fear. So I
Great.
approach some people.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, only I think one two people. Yes,
Every
and
day.
yes, no, yes, only two people I connect.
Okay, so far you
Yes,
have connected to two people only.
two people.
Okay.
Yes, and
Okay.
you heard.
So I am
Yes,
the
two.
third one. Then who were the two?
Yes, yes.
May I know the two people you connected to?
Mama, the okay. Yeah, actually, first is yeah, also connect with you. Name is I think Radha. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
and second YouTuber also
Mhm.
Rasmi ma'am.
Okay.
So
That I don't know, but
Rajput.
Radha, yes, connected to me. Yeah. Okay. Okay, great. And I
So I
appreciate it. Hmm.
actually, ma'am, I know I have lots of fear in me, so I want to overcome this. So that's why I
That I can
you
see on your
every
face as well as I can feel it in your voice too. But I really appreciate the courage you have shown here by showing up today and joining the session. And the way you have accepted this fear to overcome it. Once you accept this, okay, this is I have, but then many people know this, that they have the fear, they are struggling to talk to people, and they have this kind of thought process that when they speak they make a lot of mistakes, or they think that people would laugh at them or they would mock at them. But very few are there to face the fear, to overcome it, to mitigate it. And in order to do this, we have to really face it directly, where you are able to see the fear. Right now you are able to feel that there is a fear. You are sitting in front of the fear, not me. It's like your own thing. You are in front of you, that is mirroring you, that okay, this is my fear and I'm going to overcome it, and I really appreciate it. That's great.
actually, ma'am,
Mhm.
go. Sorry, ma'am, I'm stuck many
No
times, so
problem.
that's why.
No problem. Okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
yes,
Now we
ma'am.
can move forward. So is there anything that you would like to ask, or we can discuss a few random questions?
Actually, he also want to actually, what is your
She
name?
wants, okay, she wants to connect to me. Okay. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Hi. Hello.
What is your name? Okay. What is your father name? Amit Kumar. Okay.
Amit Kumar Jhangir. Okay. I didn't get
Yes,
your
yes.
name. Can you repeat your name?
What is your name, Vishi? What is your name?
Bye.
Okay, now you go. Okay, bye. Bye.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, actually, earlier I'm not able to express myself, and yes, so actually you always prefer reading book, and yeah, earlier I don't know the importance of books. Actually, I know only academic book, so
Hmm.
this is only book for me.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
actually
Mm-hmm.
another book is only for I don't know. So I prefer earlier audio book. And
Okay.
yeah, ma'am, book is yes, helpful me a lot for my yes, not only in my mindset, so that's why also. So
True. I agree with it. Reading doesn't just help you to speak in good English, but it helps you to have great knowledge. It brings in a lot of content, it brings in a lot of knowledge. It feeds your mind. It helps you to change your perception, your thought process, your mindset. It helps you to heal you. Like when you are reading a book, it gives you the kind of motivation. It heals your wounds. It helps you to overcome the self doubt and helps you to overcome the fear, right? So it is kind of a friend who talks to you. So reading
yes,
book is just not
and,
to improve English, but it helps in
and
all the other areas too of our life in order to thrive in life. At the same time, in English itself, it helps a lot in grammar, vocabulary, sentence structure. So yeah, it's a great habit to build. And I'm
and self,
glad that you did it. Yes.
yes, and self talk also. I'm good, so I'm now motivate. So all self talk is very important. Yes,
That's
that's why
true.
I am here.
That's
Yes.
true. Self talk really helps a lot to overcome fear a little bit. And because of self talk, we accept and embrace ourselves, embrace our vulnerabilities, embrace our all the feels. And then once you embrace and you don't care of others, then the courage comes that helps you to go out and strike up a conversation, talk to people, participate in the activities which you where you feel uncomfortable, where you feel that you are stepping out of your comfort zone. There you actually start growing, right?
Right, ma'am.
Okay, lovely. So I want to know that have you ever taken any challenge in your life to change it or to thrive in life? Any challenge, any risk that you have taken and overcome?
Yes, ma'am. I start my YouTube channel, so that's only that's of course fear of me. So
Hmm.
yes, now I'm okay with, I think, solo video, but yes, one-on-one session is also yes,
Hmm.
hard for me. But now I yes,
So
today
this
is
is a
my
challenge for you. You have taken this
challenge.
challenge to overcome the fear and speak good English. Okay, so when you record your solo videos, do you speak entirely? Do you try to speak entirely in English on a topic, or do you teach grammar lessons there? What kind of videos do you make?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, English content. Yes.
English content, yes. Related to grammar lessons, do you teach there? Like you are a teacher also, so maybe you are teaching some grammar lessons.
Actually, sorry, I'm not.
No, you can tell me if you are recording grammar lessons or you are just speaking on a
Actually,
topic.
yes, speaking on topic. Actually, I listen a lot book also, so that's why whenever thought in my mind, so I write down and I record.
Okay, so it means you
That
speak on a
the
different topics, whatever comes in your brain while reading. Yes, I agree. When you read or when you listen to people, a lot of ideas you get, a lot of your mind
yes,
suggests you a lot of things. So that time I also note down a few things in my diaries always. In the morning itself, I prepared a script in the sense, like I just got to know a few ideas, so I started noting them down. I also do that, but I am not recording solo videos these days, but very soon I'll try start recording some solo videos, not a lot, but some, because sometimes I feel that I have a great content which I can share with my audience. So, and that's a great way to express ourselves. So that's great you have been doing, and now you have started talking to people over one-on-one sessions too. That's great. Okay, so this is a challenge that you have taken to overcome your fear, which is great. I appreciate it. And tell me a little bit about your uh, relation, or maybe you can tell me a little bit about your school life journey. How was it? And if your friends are still in touch with you, if you still talk to them or meet them, or they all are busy on their own lives and then they are not connecting to you. So how's it?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I only time spend only myself most of the time.
Mm-hmm. So you don't have
So
friends?
yeah, I have friends, but not
School friends.
uh, yes, not more. Uh, yes,
Hmm.
but
And I think
this language also. I'm a Hindi medium, so or not English related also.
okay. So, right, I think after marriage, especially women don't have many friends from school or college, but a few of our best friends, I
Yes.
guess, stay with us after that too.
Uh, one.
Yeah, one or two at least.
Yes.
Hmm, I get it. Okay. So maybe in your neighborhood, you have a few friends, right?
Actually, not, ma'am. I am alone, so I read book. Sorry, not read. Listen a lot.
Listen. Okay.
Audio book. Yeah.
It means you don't
And my
spend time outside while maybe chatting with
no,
other women or wasting your time.
yes, 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 ma'am.
Hmm.
I am that person.
I
So
appreciate
that's
that.
why.
Because all 90%, 90 to
Yes,
95% women are
definitely.
doing this. Only
Other.
5%, maybe 5 to 10, 5 to maybe a very few number, I would say, are women there who are actively investing in themselves, actively into, acquiring a few skills in themselves and empowering themselves. Though I appreciate there are, but a few of even
Mm,
our working professionals still, they whenever they have free time they would go for gossiping and they would do such things. Even in the office itself, they would create politics between people and all. Instead of instead of investing the time, or instead of reading a book or listening to a podcast, they would do. I have seen in offices too. They are working. They are coming from a very good families, but then after work, what they do in their free time is like rubbish thing entirely, where they are just maybe complaining, or where they are just fighting, or where they are just bitching about others. That's not even right, because
yes,
over time your own way of speaking, even though if you are talking about others or about yourself, it is going to shape your mindset, it is going to shape your life, right? The place you are
yes,
working right now at, you would change it after maybe 5 years, 10 years, but yourself, your own image, your own mindset will remain with yourself. So the things you are feeding to your mind, whether while talking about others, you are bitching about others, but that is going to shape your life over time. So I think that is not good to do, and I appreciate women like you who have less free time, I believe, because of the household
yes,
chores and taking care of the family. And then as you are working as part time too, you get very less time, but still you utilize it in a well manner, in a productive manner. I appreciate that. That's good.
and
Okay.
now also
Mm-hmm.
yes. Sorry,
You wanna mention
atomic
something?
habit book. So
Okay.
yes, atomic habit book. So yes, now I also feel, ma'am. Now I am a early riser person, and
Wow.
yes, so I'm yes walking and drink a glass of water, and 5 a.m. I'm early get up, and
Wow.
yes, walking and a little bit yoga meditation. So that's full my whole day. fall my calm and compose. So that's why this is
That's
really helpful
great.
for me nowadays. Yeah,
You
actually,
are
my
doing
father.
these things because your inner
Yes,
voice gives you that, gives you that suggestion to do these things to in order to change, in order to become a good human being. Yeah, continue.
yes, ma'am. Actually, my father-in-law from ex-army man, so his daily routine, early to bed, early to rise. So that's I am also free for that. Yes.
And even it's easier for you now because of your
Yes.
family members. Otherwise, what happens? For girls who are married, they cannot fix their daily routine because they have to fix things according to the other family members too. When they are going to have dinner, when they are going to have lunch, they have to be there when they have this dinner and all the stuff. So if the family members
Yes.
are preferring to have it early, go bed early, you are able to manage that, right? It becomes easier for you to manage. Otherwise, it's really difficult for housewives to maintain a daily routine where if they want to wake up early, they can wake up early, but they cannot go to bed early because that depends on the other family members too. She has to take care
Yes.
of them, she has to prepare everything for them. So she has to wait until everyone is done with dinner and all the stuff. Then she can go. She's the last one who goes to bed. So that is why. But it's great that you got this opportunity, this kind of family where they are also early risers and prefer to go to bed early.
And I'm
Great.
always grateful for my husband, for my family member. He's always helping, supportive for me. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why. And yeah,
That's
ma'am,
amazing.
small thing I learn from books,
Hmm.
not academic knowledge. I learn from books. So that's why this is really helpful for me
Helpful, yes.
for my own life, so all life.
Hmm.
So
That's true. A few of our, I have heard that a very particular part of our brain gets activated because of reading. Once we start reading, then that wires connect, or maybe I don't know what happens in the brain, but really it gets activated and then it starts helping us in many ways, in many ways. So that is why also I'm very much fond of reading. And I always tell people to incorporate this habit because this
yes, ma'am.
is not going to help you just improve your English, but overall lifestyle. It would help you to change and get anything in life. That has helped me entirely. I'm the evident person in front of everybody that a lot of things, a lot of my small habits helped me to reach to the level where I
Yes.
am today. Yeah. So that's great. Okay. Apart from this, do you read newspaper or how do you get daily news? Do you have any interest in news, current affairs,
Ma'am, to be honest, I'm not reading yes
newspaper?
newspapers. I'm only
Hmm.
positive part only, not negative,
Great.
because yes. And
Yeah.
the secret actually book. So
Hmm.
I'm in universe. I signal. I want to connect that ma'am. So this is really today
Oh.
happened. Yes.
And
I'm
you
always.
won't believe. I booked the session with someone else for 12 p.m. But that person, when I messaged him again around 11:35, that are you there? This person didn't see message, and I immediately messaged you that hello, and I asked these questions, and you were there, and I shared the link. Even I I copied the link to share to that person, but I guess this person missed the opportunity, and I shared with you. So you grab the opportunity because of the your law of attraction. Maybe you applied and it worked, and it really works in people's way
Yes,
where
ma'am.
there are people who are already there to help themselves. Then universe helps them a lot. That's true. And I appreciate that you are also able to resonate and align with yourself with the universe's energy, which is amazing. That would help you a lot. Hi, she's there.
I'm also
Okay.
curious what is
She is,
happening
yeah.
there.
Yeah. Kids are
So
always
that's why.
curious to know what is going on, what they are talking about, what they are doing. Yeah. So,
Because to them, yes, I'm not Jaipur. I'm
mhm.
out of Jaipur.
Maybe at your
Another
mother's
my
place?
not my. in Loch House.
Okay. Somewhere else. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
So I'm not ready. I'm only cooking. So seen your message on Telegram. So
Okay. So when I
actually, I'm
messaged, you were cooking.
installed. Yes.
Okay.
No, no. Actually, I installed the Telegram only. I want to connect with you, so that's why only. So yes, today give me the
बहुत लोगों को
opportunity.
टेलीग्राम मैंने डाउनलोड करवा दिया इस चक्कर में पीपल आर डाउनलोडिंग टेलीग्राम एंड एवरीबडी सेज द सेम थिंग आई वाज नॉट यूजिंग टेलीग्राम एट ऑल बट आई व्हेन आई हर्ड दैट you are connecting to people over telegram I had to and then I did so people downloaded telegram and they joined try to thrive in order to just have a conversation with me which is really amazing thing and I appreciate because nobody does that kind of immense work to connect to someone like पहले जाओ उसको डाउनलोड करो वहां से ज्वाइन करो someday she will message there and then I would it shows that how patient my subscribers are they have a lot of patience and they have really actually the desire to talk to me and that means a lot to me and I'm grateful to the universe that I got very loyal authentic and dedicated audience thank you so much for that too it really means a
And
lot.
your videos, yes, your video is really helpful for me. Uh, I'm yes, watch many videos. Your first video also with your I think Mama. Yes, so that's why in Hindi
Yeah,
language.
yeah.
So I already watch one video
Mm-hmm.
daily. So
Okay.
whenever I'm preparing dinner, so yes, watch your video. Yes, listening your video.
Hmm.
Yes.
Hmm.
So this is really
Lovely.
helpful for me.
That means a lot, and thank you so much. Okay, then we can wind the session up right here now. If you don't have further questions, if you have any doubt, any question, you can still ask. Otherwise, we can wind up. And I would like to say that it was lovely talking to you. Thank you so much for connecting to me.
Actually, ma'am, I have lot of question, but
Okay.
I am nervous, so I'm not right now also. But so
Okay.
that's why. Sorry.
No problem. And okay, so
Okay,
with
thank you
that,
so
we
much.
can tell others too, like people who are watching me over YouTube, kindly note all the questions down in your notebook. You have 5, 10, note them down. You can get the opportunity anytime to ask me. So at that time, I don't want you to miss the opportunity to ask questions to me directly. Second thing, if you haven't downloaded your Telegram so far, just do it and join Telegram Try to Thrive group. There you can grab the opportunity to connect to me. Apart from this, thank you so much for the love and support, constant love and support. Because of this, I am here today. And because of this, I have started my new journey of doing podcast with people. Recently, I did a
Yes,
podcast
ma'am.
as a guest.
I
And then I recorded a podcast, one as a host too, so that I would upload very soon over my YouTube channel. So, all this is possible because of the constant love and support from you guys. And I'm really grateful for that. So, thank you so much. Apart from this, if you haven't
I'm also,
subscribed
ma'am.
to this Try to Thrive YouTube channel, you can subscribe it now and Try to Thrive Shorts YouTube channel as well as Try to Thrive Instagram page also you can follow. There I would share a lot of tips and methods to improve your communication. Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay,
Anything do you
thank
want
you
to
so
say?
much, ma'am.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a great day ahead. Bye
Okay,
bye.
bye.